Welcome back. I'm now being joined by Aruna Kebira, the man from Global View Capital Limited. Aruna, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
The market is still showing red. What are the possibilities before the closing of trading activities on the floor of the Nigerian stock
From
exchange?
the pattern of bid and offer this morning, I have the belief that at the close of today's business, the market may likely be looking right, because even this 0.7, only a gain from Dangote can wipe it off. Only a gain from Nigeria Brewery can wipe it off, from Nestle.
Right. Having said this, it's just an expression of hope. And from what I can see now, it is very doubtful that the chart would be the way I want it to look. But let us see if we will be able to get the chart right. Let's go to the second slide. And I want to really show you the way the market had performed in 2019. Unfortunately, where you see all those black spots, underneath them are the dates of those specific activities. But incidentally, or unfortunately, it came in black originally, but I'm seeing it in white now. So now, the first line that is to the left of the screen was where the market was at the close of trading activity on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 2018. The first black spot, particularly on the upper side of the table, because what you are seeing there is money flow index. Money flow index tells you what quantity of money that is entering the market and exiting. All right, so from what you could see there, I can tell on the February 22nd, which was the last trading session of the market before the commencement of the general election, you could see that between that time up until the last black spot that you could see, one of them actually represented 8th of March, which was the last set of election, which was the third. So the first one that you could see on top, you could see that the market started declining, talking about now money flow index. All right. Now, the last black spot was just last week, Friday. So now what this simple graph, money flow index, is telling us is the fact that not much money has been entering the market, which means that because in the financial market, there is what I call circular flow of funds, which means in the financial market, which includes bond, treasury bills, and other such instruments, right? As a matter of fact, even in real estate, it is more or less the same funds that run in the market looking for where profit is better maximized and where security also abounds. And so, as we speak, other treasury instruments, bond, treasury bills, and such, are relatively more attractive than equities now, which is, I think, the perception. So funds are being taken out of the market, and funds that ought to be coming to the market are not coming in. And so the money flow index simply shows us. But if you see from the beginning where there is a line, you could see that up until around 23rd or 22nd of February, there was, yes, it came down and then went up steadily. And then until it got to about the climax, year to date, around 22nd of February. That is what that simple graph can tell you. Having explained that, Aruna, why do you think that as we speak now, more funds seems to more funds seem to be finding its way out of the market than funds coming into the market.
You have just explained that the fund is looking for better opportunities somewhere else. But if you are saying it because I said the market may likely get today, is because at the start of trading this morning, there is a willingness at what price people are ready to sell. Because even if, let me take UBA for instance, UBA closed 745 on Friday. I don't think anybody will be ready to sell UBA at 7 naira this morning, even if you are bidding to buy at 7 naira. So to be itching up. So if the little amount that is still in the market, we can still make this market to close in the green today.
All right. We'll still come to other information